Hi, this is Yvonne Bunn with Home Educators Association of Virginia. We've had a question this week regarding filing a notice of intent. Of course, you can file a notice of intent form or you can write a letter with the same information. It's completely up to you. If you use HEAV's notice of intent, it has information that the law requires and does not include additional information. But the question came in, what do you do when you can't find your high school diploma for option 1? Well, under option 1, you can comply with that option by using a high school diploma. You could use your college degree, which would be a bachelor's degree, or a doctorate degree. Anything higher than a high school diploma or anything higher. A GED does not comply with the law, so you would need to have a high school diploma. But suppose you can't find your high school diploma. I don't think I could find mine if I went to look for it. So in that case, you would contact the school from which you graduated and ask them for a copy of your transcript. We had one parent that received an unofficial copy of her transcript. And that's pretty typical. Not all of them may say unofficial copy, but that's basically what they're going to send to you. They're going to keep the official copy of the transcript with them so that you may contact them in a future year and need it again. So they have the official transcript, but you would get the unofficial transcript, and that's completely fine for you to submit that with your notice of intent for option 1. Another thing that came up with the transcript is the important item on the transcript that you want to make sure is included is your graduation date, because that graduation date shows that you graduated from their high school or college at that particular time, and that would be what the superintendent is looking for as evidence. Another question has come up about the name on the transcript. Most women have their maiden name on their high school or college transcript, and that's perfectly fine. That's very typical, and you can just send it in without any explanation. I've never known a superintendent not to accept it because of that. In most cases, most seniors in high school or many in college are not married, so that's something that is not usually a problem. Another question has come up about a high school diploma or higher for option 1, and that's parents who have moved here from another country. They're from another nation, have a different nationality. Their diploma is from a foreign country. What do they do? How do they comply with option 1 in order to homeschool? Well, I suggest that you send in the same copy of the diploma from the country in which you lived when you graduated from high school or college, or the college diploma from the foreign country. And then in that case, they will just look at it. The law doesn't say that it has to be a diploma from the United States, and I've never known a superintendent to question that and not accept it. So in that case, if you're from another country, simply send in that diploma also, and you should be just fine.